Soup! Soupy! Soup! Such a great word, soup. It just comes right out. Soup! Soup! I want soup. You want soup? Soup! Soup! Hey folks, I'm Matt from Fidel Gastros, and soup! Soup! I just yelled soup for no reason. We've been talking a lot lately about our latest book, Brunch Life, and everyone's been digging it. They've been like, Matt, your pancakes, your fried chicken, it's off the chain. I'm like, cool. Why not give a little love now to our original book, Street Food Diaries? So I thought, flip it through the pages. It's getting chilly here in Canada. We're smack dab in the middle of fall. Perfect time to showcase a soup recipe. So that's exactly what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna show you how to make my, what is it? It's corn and bacon chowder. Chowder. I don't know why I was squinting at the camera there. I figured it's not like there's words on the lens saying this is what the soup is. I want you to think there's a teleprompter. I want you to think this is a bigger production than it really is. There's a teleprompter and a live studio audience. We have makeup in the back. There's a snack tray. Anyways, let's soup, shall we? First step is get a pot of water on and boil it. Add your corn to the boiling water and let it cook for about 6 minutes or until the corn is nice and tender. Remove the corn from the pot, but keep that corn water. In a large soup pan, heat some oil. Add the leeks, celery, and carrots to the pot and keep stirring them until they cook nice and tender. Then push all those ingredients to the side of the pot and add your bacon. Let the bacon cook in the hottest part of the soup pot so it gets nice and crispy, rendering out all that beautiful, flavorful fat. Once the bacon's cooked, add your butter, turmeric, curry powder, and salt. Don't forget to mix and add about 2 to 3 ladles of your corn water. Now that there's a little bit more liquid in your soup pot, you can add your corn niblets. Sorry, that just sounds so funny. Now that there's a little bit more liquid in your pot, you can add your chickpeas and corn. And let that reduce with another 2 ladles of the corn water. Grab an immersion blender and start to pulse it. We want it thinned out, but we don't want it super creamy. Once you feel like the soup is at a texture that you're happy with, you can now add your coconut milk and your whipped cream. Turn the stove temperature down to about a medium-low and let simmer for about 30 to 45 minutes. Well, there you have it, folks. Bacon corn chowder. And not to quote another episode of Seinfeld, because I never do that on this channel, ever. But you might remember in season 4, Jerry takes Banya out for dinner as like a payback for something. And Banya orders consomme. And he's like, consomme, that's not a meal. This doesn't count. Soup's not a meal. And they're going back and forth. In this case, soup is a meal. Very hearty, very rich, bacony, corny, and chickpeas all together. It's fantastic. Shall we? Oh, it's so thick. Soup on! Is that a real thing? Did I just yell soup on? It's superb. It's super. It's stupendous. Well, there you have it, folks. Another recipe out of our original book, Street Food Diaries. Let me know what you think. Make sure to like, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications. It's like a little bell in the top corner. Just click it, and it'll go ding, and then you'll get these videos in your inbox all the time. We can hang out every day. And comment. Let me know what you think. Is soup a meal? Yes or no? Okay, that's all. Have a super day. Okay, bye. Bye, bye, bye. Bye.